Alright, first cast. We'll send out a couple of deep baits. Brand new spot. I really want to zing in close today. Alright, ready to let it rip. Let's hit the spot. Quick calibration. First bait on its way. She's off. There you go. Bro. Yes, peeling. Yeah, let it, just take it. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely zinging. Tony's on straight away here. How heavy is the drag? Is it pretty tight?
Not really.
Okay, we'll just see how you go, mate, but let's hope doesn't bust off. Oh wow, have you got head shakes?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I don't know if I can
Yeah, well, we don't want to lose it either.
Oh, no.
Make sure you keep the line tight the whole time. How loose are you? You could do it up a little bit. He's not peeling off you again, but he might, so at least you've got that. Holy smokes. This is unbelievable. We've barely got here. Tony's on. Could this be something special? I think it will be. We just got to get it in. All right, I'm getting ready if I need to step in water. Tony must be getting line back now. This is my kind of fishing, mate. It's like my kind of shopping. Yeah, it definitely looks like you've broken his back. This could be something really decent. Still got great weight on the line. He's doing a perfect job here, not going too hard. Just making sure you keep him thereabouts in the window you've got. If they start to pull back, so be it. Just keep fighting. And we're going to hopefully try and get this one in on a wave. And oh, that's great head shakes. That was really good head shakes then. That's it, you're doing a perfect job, mate. If anything goes wrong from here, we've done everything right, so it's out of your hands. All right, we're getting closer. He may make another dash. If he does, just let him go. Because this is a thumping fish.
The other one coming?
Yep, just keep doing what you're doing. Just move to your right a little bit and just straighten your line, yeah. You're doing a bang up job, mate. He's coming right in now, surely. Where are you? I can't even see you. Oh, here. Yes! It's a monster, brother! First drop! Look at it! That might be PB Tony.
I'm thinking we're there, bro.
Oh!
Head, went to head.
You nursed it in brilliantly. First one.
First drop.
Oh my gosh. That is insanity. Well done, dude. Oh my gosh, he's done it. Well, that's awesome. We're just gonna kick back now. It doesn't matter what we catch. That pinky was brilliant. And we can just chill out, have a cast, maybe send another bait when we feel like it, if we feel like it. Mission accomplished. Oh yes, congrats. What a morning already.
As the sun peers over.
Picturesque, unbelievable.
Quite cool.
I had one go right through my skin before. All right, we'll send another one. Can we get double hookups here? I've got nothing to suggest that I can't go into auto mode right now, but I'm just going to send it out manual a little bit longer. I'm glad it's coming off all right though. I'm going to the third spot by the looks of it. Predefined spot. Line's coming out okay. But we've got the drag off, that's why. Maybe that's the key. You just deal with it. Alright, should be turned around in a second. Off. Right, tight drag on. Yep. And just do what you did last time where it's still, yeah, don't reel it in too much, yeah. And just check the drag for us and that should be good. Yep, and that's just got to do like that, mate. It really is. Maybe a little couple of nibs here. Or are we in the seaweed? We might be. This is amazing. Did you get it? So it's 1, 2, 3, hold the third one. No, it's just on the top. Are the lights still on? Yeah. Bring it over here, I'll show you. Come around this side. You just go.
Ah, right.
Now it's, oh! Alright, let's get this one in too then. Get the line back now at least. Alright, and then I can hopefully get it to a point where I can auto reel. This is incredible. Can we get two?
In two.
Two in two. Just bringing them in nice and slow, just like Tony did his. I've got no rush. Didn't peel off like he did on Tone's, but at the same time, Tone's drag may have been slightly looser than mine.
You've got a bigger rig.
I've got a bigger setup. Alright. Yeah, it could be. Oh, I was about to auto reel then and I just got a big head shake, so I'm glad I didn't.
How many meters?
163.
You got it 100.
Alright, now I reckon I'm going to try an auto reel. It feels like a sizable fish. Oh. It still feels quite like really heavy, the setup at the moment. Yeah. Getting down to 100. He's coming in quicker now. I think he might have broken his back a little bit. Oh. Okay, so I might back that off a little bit.
How many you got? 50?
70. Because he's really getting angry and he's really trying to spit this. Oh my gosh. Looks like rain's coming. Alright, we're at 40. $17, $16. We're coming right up. There he is. Looks like a pink dog. It is. Yes, that looks like a beauty. Yes, woo! Whoa, we doubled up for the first time ever. Holy smokes. Oh yeah, woo!
Perfectly hooked.
Woo! And he just came off. Oh mate, I'm stoked. Woo! Right. We got the electric out. That's great. It went out really well.
There's a bit of rain out there.
There is. I'm worried about it a little bit. So 2 in 2. 2 in 2. We've got a bit of overcast weather as well.
A bit of dark about us at the moment.
There's a little bit of a southerly, but not too bad. Who cares? It'll bellow out a little bit. You should hit the mark, no problem. Oh, way worse. This is all learning as well, isn't it? The way we're going, you'll be able to get it in and still get some catches anyway. It has gone very far right this time though, so maybe we should have taken tensor on spool, but I'm happy to do it the way it is. Oh, what's going on there?
Yeah, I got it. Alright, back flowing. That's it.
Yep, you're off. Bang, you're in. Alright, do what you got to do to resurrect that one.
Oh shit, she's a bit of bell.
Yeah. Maybe we should have sent it on then. Oh, you're just going to have to nurse it maybe. Hope you didn't hit your line here too, or my line. Whoops, left the bag open. No way. Do exactly what you did last time, bro. Keep going. Follow the training, Danielson. Oh, you're very loose, dude. Oh no, wouldn't be, if he goes, don't pull A, yeah. This could be one for the A, you see what I mean? Like we weren't even able to get the other one out. You just focus on what you're doing, you're perfect on the first one. You know exactly what you're doing with your drag and all that, whether you need to tighten it or not. There is some weather coming in, but it looks okay behind us. Yeah, it's done a little drag tighten there. Well, this will be a new record if we can do this, because we don't normally get this every day. Right, so Tone is on his 950 pen combo. It's just a brilliant setup, cost effective.
All my fish have been caught in this on the pen. It was the 850 at the start.
Yep, the 950 just has that extra bit of strength in the gears. And wow, I really can't believe this, but this looks like another beauty. Maybe from what you've been fighting with, it could be in the 60s, but it could be another 70 odd as well. Tony, to rip the rod holder out of the ground. Why is that? Not getting the same shakes.
Yeah, it's more low and slow.
Could be a bronzy or an eagle.
Good.
And I need to reload my mulloway bait as well. I'll do that in a sec. We'll get this in first.
Let me send one.
I've only sent it once. You sent it twice, and how's that going for you?
Yeah.
I think the key to what you're doing now too is you're not skull dragging, but at the same time you're keeping your line as tight as you possibly can. So the hook's staying well presented in the fish. Right, Tone. So Tone's calling it not a pinky this time. He says it feels different, so could either be a few things. Pinky and seaweed, could be some type of shark, or it could be some type of ray. But eagle rays normally are a bigger fight than this, although it is moving the drag a little bit like one. He's hooked on his belly. He's hooked on his belly.
Look at that.
No way. You landed that all the way with it not being even in his mouth. I've seen nothing like that before in my life. I can't believe it, Tone. 3 for 3. Well, that is what you call an absolutely epic session. 3 drops, 3 pinkies. Absolutely stoked. Just tuning in. What a magical session.